Hello everybody, it's my kitty cat AJ here. I am a weird person and I have mail and you're watching one of my videos. Let's get into it. Hello everybody, it's my kitty cat AJ here. So I don't know why I'm like this. I will change my character. I don't know how I got like that. Okay. I'm sorry guys. Yeah. So here we go. Okay. Now let's redo my intro. Okay. Hello everybody, it's my kitty cat AJ here, and today I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing what a lot of YouTubers do. Well, I've only seen Squirm do it. I haven't seen um other Animal Jam YouTubers do it. But anyways, I will be doing what is it called? I'm going to be doing a test to see who is my Animal Jam lover. First, check out the mail that I got. Your den is locked. Yeah, no, dumb, my den is locked. No flippin' duh, hot potato. I don't even know who that person is. So anyway, guys, so let's go here. Okay. So yeah, let's start taking the quiz. Okay, so now I'm here and I'm on Pro Profs Quizmaker. Not sponsored. So anyways, so yeah, so who is your Animal Jam love match? 5 questions. There we go. 5 questions. Let's begin. Who are you? Okay, let's start. So, okay, what is your favorite color? Oh, look, it's a Pari. Pari. Well, my boy Pari. Even though he doesn't know me, and I know what he looks like, but he doesn't know me. So yeah. So, what's my favorite color? Okay, so I like pink and blue. So I want to go blue because blue is a really nice color. Next, what is your age? It's Squirm. It's Squirm. Okay, I'm sorry guys, but I just gotta say this. I don't know why I do this, but I just do. Oh god, what on earth just happened? There we go, let's save this. And guys, trust me, I'm addicted to Squirm, so that's why I have a lot of things. I'm sorry. Squirm, you're watching this, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So, yeah, so, next, what is your AJ style? Basically, so, I don't know, like, top hat and spike, like, I don't have top hats, I don't have a spike, because I lost my spike, and I never got a top hat, which makes me sad. So anyways, I don't know. I'm gonna go with sunglasses. I don't much with like the DJ shade type of stuff, but you know, it's close enough. Why do you play Animal Jam? Which gym are you most? Oh my god, look! Lilac Petal. That is, Twinkle. Don't know which one that is. Don't know. So yeah. For rares and buddies, because everything is so cute and adorable. Oh my god, yes. For fun and buddies, for money, making money on YouTube, basically. For YouTube, no money, just YouTube. Because everything is so cute and adorable. It's just for fun, by the way. Who do you ship? Gisteria, Wispari, Torm, Kumu, and Lipari. I ship with. Okay, I'm gonna go with Wispari. Okay, so lastly, what is your favorite food and drink? Oh my god, it's Gisteria right there. That is straight up Gisteria. So yeah, let's go. Tea and salad, cheese fries and Dr. Pepper. Oh my god, yes. Hamburger and Coke, cheese fries and Pepsi, sub sandwich or sub pizza with let's go with hamburger and Coke, because that is me. So who do I get? I got scored. I am so happy that I just got scored because like I am like in love with Scorn because Scorn is my favorite YouTuber, Animal Jam YouTuber. Okay, but everybody else, don't worry. I still enjoy every other YouTuber that is out there. Wow. Thank you. I really okay, I'm sorry guys. I gotta take a picture of this. Because I mean like all of the kids in my school know that I'm like in love with Scorn. That like Scorn was like my favorite YouTuber, so yeah. Okay, I gotta take this picture with Snapchat. One thing I'm not gonna lie with, guys, I'm sorry about that, but I just had to take my picture and it took a while. One thing I'm not gonna lie about is this part. This part is so true to me. So Squirm was a shy, so Squirm, and that was high low. Wait, no, 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 no. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my. Okay. So Squirm is shy and adorable. Not only is he nice, he currently has 220,000 subs. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I got Squirm. A party or Squirm. I got Squirm. I party or Squirm. I got party. I got Squirm. Where's Squirm? Yo, I got Squirm. Login post. Oh yeah, no thanks. I'm not gonna log into Facebook. Okay. So I'm gonna find the next quiz. So let's go and find the next quiz. Okay. So oh my god, I just realized that this one Squirm did. So yeah. So who is your Animal Jam love match by Sunstorm right there? Okay. So hello. First off, who do you like, Squirm? Right away. Now next question. We have Apari here. Apari. Hi. You subscribe to me? Me. Wrong question, boy. Apari, what's your favorite color? I don't know what my favorite color is. Can I change the question? Oh wow. I don't want to be a dirty squirm, sorry. I was looking at it. So, yeah, no, my favorite color is blue. Again. Thanks, Apari. Now we have squirm. Shrieks. Shrieks. I would be like streaks and like excitement and beautifulness. Oh yeah. So, Squirm, what kind of videos do you like? Whatever you can make up. F-Man's Only Bears. I don't know what that was, but F-Man, have you ever skipped or ooh, I don't know how F-Man does it. Never. I pant. What? What does that mean? Anyways, I panned. That was scary. Woot Moo taps me on the shoulder. Eep! Woot Moo, can I go yet? Me. Yeah, sure. Woot Moo, what do you like to wear? Whatever I can find, basically. Okay, now I will ask you your last battle. Ideal date. Ideal date. Don't you, don't, oh my god. Don't you dare date my F-man. No? Okay. Um, well, I guess it's like, I will ask you, I don't know, telling jokes and having a good time because that's what I do. So, and now, okay, now for your results, Lilac Petal. If they get F-Man, I'ma kill you. Me, chillax. Bye. I got Squirm. I just got Squirm. Oh yeah. So oh wait, I'm gonna move my mouse out of the way. There we go. Picture. Ba boom. Okay, and now save that, and then okay, yeah. So I'll be right back in a little bit. Okay, so now another one. This one is who's your animal jam boyfriend? Number one. Sorry. No, oh my god. If you're a YouTuber, sorry. I am a YouTuber, but oh, oh, no, okay, I'm kidding. Yeah, I was gonna have what? Okay. Number two. Do you add people? No, because they're annoying. Well, especially when they are. I also have YouTuber friends. I would if I. I can make those sense. Okay, there we go, guys. So I just have nine. Number. I'm sorry, I was reading that quietly, but anyways. Number three. I am poor. Yes, I really am low. Would you give me a spike if you really wanted to? We'll see. I mean, like, I don't have a spike, so I can't. Number four. What's your idea of a boyfriend? Someone who has lots of spikes. Person who really loves jammers. Someone who is cool. Someone who likes to do top 10. Top. Oh my gosh. Someone who likes to do top 10 lists. I'm gonna do someone who's cool. Maybe that. Last question. Are you scared for your results? No. Yeah. Maybe a tiny bit. Well, I got woot. I got woot. Well, can you say woot woot because you just got woot moo? I'll be right back, guys, because someone's calling me. Okay, guys. Now I am back, and I don't know who on earth that was. I'm like, it was just so weird because I'm like, who is this? And it's like, hey, I'm like, hello, and just like, hey, I'm like, who is it? And he's like, hey, I don't know who it was, but whatever, whatever. I just hung up on them. Next time they call, I'm just gonna say that they interrupted my video. So next one, love life. Okay, let's go. What is your age? Yeah, I am under 18 years old. Sorry, guys. What is your gender? Female. Are you ready to start? Only two will have an effect. Yes, I guess I don't know. Okay, have you ever had an alien boyfriend? Um, yes. If you have, how many? I want to do psych. No, psych. Yeah, I want to do. If you didn't do a question 4 and 3, do you have a husband? I was one who did. I was the. Oh, no, no, you're not. Who kissed a fellow jammer? No. Advantage 6. Yes. Where? Okay, so actually, I thought they meant. Okay, so for this one. I thought they meant like, oh, so I would do no. My bad. I made a mistake. I never said anything. No, no, no. 6. Where I said no or didn't answer. Have you ever died or turned into a monster? No. Okay, roleplay time. Are you ready? Yes. So excited. Roleplay. You're walking down Serapia Forest when you see an abandoned baby. What do you do? Pick it up, put it in the mail room. I adopt it, duh. I leave it to die. I take care of it, teach it, and love it. AKA CTL. I'm a boy. I adopt it, duh. Some question as 11. Okay, I'm a girl. Role play. Wait, that's 11. Okay. Role play. Your best friend asks if you want to watch movies. You say yes. You sit down, you're the only one there. Your friend looks to you in the dark and leans towards you. Here, she's going to kiss you. What do you do? No, I say heck no. Say you are already kiss, just cheat, kiss, I'm only anyway. Exactly. I hope you liked it. Did you? Kinda, not really. Okay, so my answers. Who do I get? You're in on demo life, or yours out the worst part. You love someone but they never love you, of course. Of course, that is the hardest one to get. If you want to feel better, just have no love life, okay? When I did this, it helped be a lot. I'm on general. When I did this, it helped be a lot. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be help me a lot. I don't know, help be a lot. Okay, whatever. You know, jam rules. No one whatsoever. Okay, so yeah. Okay guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. And be safe, be nice, and jam on guys. See you in my next one. Bye!